May Almighty Allah include you in the real mourners of Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Salawat. Our salam on Imam Zainul Abidin alayhi salam, in spite of looking at Karbala with his own eyes, and in spite of all the difficulties of being captured from Karbala to Kufa and Kufa to Sham, has given us the precious gift of Sahife Kamila, collection of dua. I already narrated about dua number 6, today dua number 40. Unfortunately, just now coming, we listen that under whose imamat we offered namaz 2 days earlier in mosque, has unfortunately died today. So dua number 40 is about the dead, and Imam says that, "Oh Almighty Allah, grant me the capability and the capability that I may remember death always. Death may be in front of me, and I may not offer one breath coming after another breath, one day coming after another day, and one moment, 1 minute coming after another moment." And in the central idea, Imam says that, "Oh Almighty Allah, grant me the ability and the capability that I may do such good deeds that I may myself become anxious to welcome death." And in the last, Imam said that, "Oh Almighty Allah, this death may be, this death in the name of Ya Hussain may be a blessing for me." Now the nights of weeping has come, which was the most difficult time in Karbala. Which was the most difficult time in Karbala. Might the readers of the tragedy of Karbala may think that was the most difficult when Imam Hussain gave permission to Ali Akbar. Ali Akbar started going. But Imam Hussain was also coming behind. Ali Akbar said, "Papa, you have given me the permission." Imam Hussain said, "If you had a son like me, then you would feel what I am feeling." Or readers of the Karbala might think that that was the most difficult time when Imam Hussain took the innocent Ali Asghar. Tonight throughout the world, mothers are bringing their innocent babies, remembering Ali Asghar. Imam brought the innocent Ali Asghar in front of the enemies and asked for a drop of water like anything. Water didn't come, arrow came, and the blood came out. Imam Hussain looked at the sky as if there was a voice, "No, we cannot tolerate this innocent blood, otherwise there will be no growing till the day of judgment." Imam Hussain looked at the earth, there was a voice that, "No, we cannot tolerate this innocent blood, otherwise there will be no growing." And Imam Hussain took the blood and then went forward and behind saying, "Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un" 7 times. May Almighty Allah bless all of you. May Almighty Allah accept your rajadari. May Almighty Allah accept your weeping for Imam Hussain, because only few days are left. For all this good intention, kindly recite salawat loudly. And with one more salawat, may I request my son to come.